Hello everyone, it's Monica here and welcome to my YouTube video. In today's video, I would like to talk to you about how you can get what you want with reality creation techniques. In this video, I would like to talk to you about mirror and film roll technique. But before I go on this video, I would like to ask you to subscribe, to like this video if you like it, and also comment I love Switchwords and reality creation for your chance to win my free book about switchwords and reality creation. So in this video I would like to talk to you about mirror principle. It's very powerful because some people try to create different reality for themselves. They really work very hard to achieve their goals, and some other people very quickly can manifest what they want. And if you apply the combination of techniques and principles I'm teaching you, you will have amazing and fast results as well, okay? It just requires some patience and also some practice and willingness to be open-minded and try different things. So this concept of reality creation is called mirror, and I call this mirror technique. You have to be aware of the fact that there is a mirror. You can imagine a mirror in front of you, this reality mirror, and this mirror reflects to you your thoughts, your attitude, your behavior back to you. So that's why, sometimes when you are angry or you feel depressed, you feel sad on a regular basis, and especially if you argue a lot with other people or argue with yourself, you think about past events, about things that didn't work out, you actually create the same or even worse reality for yourself and same or similar events. So that's why it's essential for you to wake up and realize what you are doing on a regular basis. What is it you think every day, your beliefs, your actions, and especially your attitude. Because this attitude of going with the flow, being okay with your current situation, accepting it, and at the same time believing that things can get better and that you deserve to achieve your desired reality, you will have it. But it starts with you actually watching your attitude from now on and changing it regardless, or changing it and aligning it to your goals and to your wishes. So that's why when I say to you, act as if, as another principle to create your own reality, you actually will trick this reality creation mirror, and the mirror will have to reflect back to you the same, isn't it? So for example, if you think of yourself as you are a successful business person, that your business is profitable, that you can work from home, you can work from anywhere in the world, and that people value your work and yourself as well, you will be able to basically experience it. But as long as you practice it long enough, like an actor, act as if. And the most important thing is the feelings. Concentrate on the feelings and on the energy, on the vibe you are sending out. So for example, it starts with the morning. How you wake up. Are you in a good mood or in a bad mood already? And this will also show you how you are contributing and how you are creating your own reality. So for example, if you are grumpy from the same moment you wake up in the morning and you keep complaining about everything and anything, that's what this reality mirror is going to reflect back to you, and often it's actually multiplied. So it's really up to you if you would like to continue your struggle or continue to dealing with your current situation, or if you would like to move to more prosperous, more happy reality you really enjoy and you are happy. So acting as if and realizing that everything you are sending out is coming back to you. And the same goes, for example, giving and receiving. Many people want to receive something from someone, right? They say, you know, I want this, I would like to receive this. I want this person to give me this. You must give me this. Give me, give me, give me. And the same does your mirror. The mirror is saying the same to you. Give, give, give. And if you change your attitude and you keep giving instead, doesn't have to be money, can be your positive attitude, your uplifting attitude, perhaps sharing your information, valuable information with others. So, at least one person can change their life for better. Things will start changing for you. So start giving, and you can give your time, your advice. You can think about different ways you can give to your reality. You can cook a meal for someone, or you can clean your home. You can do different things, for example. You can give some money or food to charity. For example, my business says we support environment and wildlife, animals and abandoned animals charities. And it's really up to you how you deal with this. So you can buy some food for wildlife animals, or help your family members with something. It doesn't have to be always in the form of money. But as long as you are aware of you giving, that's the same thing that your mirror will reflect back to you. Your mirror will start giving you. So for example, more business opportunities, more clients, more valuable clients that are actually happy to work with you, and clients that will be begging you to do business with you. So it's up to you how you actually contribute in your own life, in your own reality, and realize that what you give out, you really get back. Watch your attitude from now on, and make sure that you don't get stuck in your current reality. In a sense, don't focus or don't keep focusing on something you don't like in your current reality. For example, some people constantly concentrate on not having enough money. So don't worry about not having enough money. Let go of the importance of the money and focus on what you have. Focus on some money you have in your bank account, or focus and be grateful on the things you already have. And this gratefulness attitude will bring more and more to you, because the more you will be focusing on what you don't like, the more you will get same of it. You will get more of what you don't like, and more of what you resist, and more of what you focus on. So change your focus, shift your focus, and that's why acting as if is so powerful, because you actually live and feel like the ideal person you would like to be, and you experience already in this present moment the reality you would love to live. And it's about enjoyment. So enjoy the process and believe that things can improve for you, that you can get what you want. But the main thing is not to give up. Not giving up and Be in this center screen. Don't focus too much on your outside reality, because if you focus on the poverty, you will get more back to you. So focus more on what you like, what you enjoy, what you are grateful for, all those opportunities that are available to you, or that you are healthy, that you have loving and supportive family. So keep focusing on this and things will start improving for you. There's no doubt. Okay? So to summarize this concept I was talking to you today is about reality mirror and about acting as if and being actor in your own life and focusing on things you like and focusing on what you are grateful for, because the more you focus on the things you are grateful for, the more you actually are saying to your reality mirror that you have enough of this, that you have plenty, that you are actually wealthy person indeed, and that you don't need something. And the more you act from the place of prosperity, basically, the more prosperity will come back to you. But if you start acting from the space of neediness, like I need this job, I need this client, I need this kind of money, then the mirror will be sending back to you the same signal. Sometimes it's even worse. So the mirror will need something from you, so you might need to spend more money, and so on and so on. So focus on what it is you would like to have, focus on what you are grateful for already, and I strongly recommend that you actually write all this down. You don't have to write down diary. You can write down what you are grateful for in the morning and in the evening. You can spend half an hour or 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening, and you can write down your goals for the day, for the week, for upcoming month, for upcoming year, and write everything down. So that's it from me for today. Before I go, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your energy, and like and comment if you would like to have any questions, or if you would like me to answer any of your questions, let me know in the comments below. And again, if you would like to win my free book about switchwords and reality creation, comment below I love switchwords and reality creation. I will leave many valuable links below, so please feel free to check it out. And until I see you next time, be healthy, be happy, be wise. Bye bye for now.